Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Plato app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Plato app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on privacy here. Then you come to next step here, come here to show online to friends. Clicking this sign here, like you see this color show for us. That's mean here show online to friends enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.